you want to talk about somebody who cannot buy luck, it is Austin Forkner. He looks fast every single season, and then stuff like this happens. Obviously, Jett Lawrence I do not think is a dirty rider. This was not something he was trying to do, cross jump, take him out, whatever. You can see he goes to the top of the jump, his bike hits a tough block, and it just sends him across the track. And of course, there's no reason he would even want to do this, for just the pure chance he can injure himself. And it's just, you cannot buy any luck if you're Austin Forkner. Every year you're fast. Every year you're a title contender, and then something like this happens. And I mean, you had a night where RJ Hampshire face planted into the ground off of the over-under jump, and that wasn't even the craziest crash this ends up being. I mean, it's pretty sad. Sad, but sad to see Forkner get hurt. And it's just, you have to say, Jett Lawrence tonight, or for this race, was just reckless. I mean, obviously he's not intentionally trying to hurt people. He's not trying to jump and crash people off the track, but he made way too many mistakes. He made way too many errors that he had to self-correct, and he was riding way too fast to try and make up for them and make up points and try and be in the top three and keep his points lead. But you have to feel bad for Austin Forkner for this crash, especially because it wasn't his fault at all. It's just bad luck, bad racing incident. And then you can see he's sitting on the floor talking to the medical crew, and he looked hurt. I mean, he got up and walked away, but it's really sad to see. And that was a big one. I mean, that was definitely one of those scary ones to watch.